Assalamu alaikum. I welcome all to this new video. I would like to discuss about a newly discovered organelle, Migrasome. It is a newly discovered organelle produced by migrating cell. As cell migrated, long and thin retracted fiber are left in their wake. On this fiber, it was discovered the production of a pomegranate-like structure which named Migrasome. And it is highly correlated with the migration of a cell. These are the vesicles present within the cell. According to the size, there are two groups of vesicles, small vesicle, large vesicle. The smallest vesicle named exomer less than 50 nanometer, then exosome 30 to 150 nanometer, extrosome 100 to 1000 nanometer. The large vesicle group, the migrasome, are 500 to 3000 nanometer. Apoptotic bodies derived from apoptotic cell and their diameter 100 to 500 nanometer. Oncosome derived from tumor cell and their diameter 1000 to 10,000 nanometer. How migrasome is formed? This is a cell membrane rich in tetraspan-enriched microdomain and cholesterol-enriched membrane microdomains. And this particular cell membrane is converted into migrasome. What structure contain or present within the migrasome? They contain unknown vesicles, protein, RNA, messenger RNA, active filament, and sometimes damaged mitochondria. Currently, it has been demonstrated that the migrasome exhibits three modes of action: release of signaling molecule through rupturing or leaking, carrier of damaged mitochondria, and lateral transfer of the messenger RNA or protein. So these are the cell, this is the migration fiber, and this is the migrasome. And this is electron microscopic picture of migrasome. Contain damaged mitochondria. In physiological condition, the migrasome contain unknown vesicles, but in stress condition, it contain damaged mitochondria. Damaged mitochondria need to be cleared to maintain the quality of mitochondrial pool. It was reported the mitocytosis is migrasome-mediated mitochondrial quality control process. Study found that upon exposure to mild mitochondrial stresses, damaged mitochondria are transported into the migrasomes and subsequently disposed of from migrating cell. So this is all about migrasome. If you like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.